we are going to set up the balloon arch or flower arch for a party. There are 2 discs. You are going to want them about 7.5 feet apart. And then there are 4 poles, and one of them has slots. The ones with the slots is going to be on top. So go ahead and we're going to screw these onto the base. And then it comes with these 2 little pillows that you inflate. And they'll just kind of go on the bottom. Still doing that one. It also comes with these that are all attached. And you're just going to make it one long piece. So this one we are going to take and we're going to put it in the first notched piece. We're too close. There we go. Okay. Then we're going to put the second one together. Putting these in is definitely a 2-person job. So the bottom one's going to go right in here. Do you want me to help you? The way to do it, in my opinion, is do it in the center part, and then you just push her on up. We're going to be using florals instead of balloons, but you can use balloons too. I also think it would be really fun during Halloween to maybe add some of those plastic little jack-o'-lanterns that kids trick-or-treat with. The kit includes balloon glue and stuff, but since we're doing flowers, I'm just going to use some zip ties just to kind of hold it. And to disassemble it, it's just going to be reversed. So we're going to take these pieces out first. And we're going to break these down. Screw the bases. And I definitely recommend either filling those pillows that go on the bottom, either with sand or with water, just to kind of weigh down the balloon arch. And it definitely helps having a second person. And easy peasy for your next party or event.